appreciation. Una po, the first and foremost, sinabago ko sa ating Diyos, higit sa lahat na naging tapat. For 19 years of existence ng Emmanuel Southern Baptist Church, nararamdaman po natin, naranasan natin ang kabutihan at katapatan ng ating Diyos. And now, for the inauguration of our school, the Emmanuel Little Christian Academy, we are very grateful, and it is an honor and privilege to present to you and give the plaque of appreciation to those people who have been a big part of the success of our school. And as I read, may I call on the two representatives from the members of the board, Kuya Mike and Sister Annie, and Principal Lydia Guerra, to please do the honors of getting this award. As I read the plaque of appreciation, parang may talakot sa lamin, hindi ko mabasa. Los Baños Emmanuel Southern Baptist Church, Barangay Malita, Los Baños, Laguna, Philippines, awards or presents this plaque of appreciation to Deacon Paul Guante in grateful appreciation and sincere acknowledgement in Jesus Christ's name of his faithful devotion, generous support, and earnest service rendered to Los Baños Emmanuel Southern Baptist Church and Emmanuel Little Christian Academy, given this 5th day of August in the year of our Lord 2012, on the occasion of Los Baños Emmanuel Southern Baptist Church 90th year anniversary and Emmanuel Little Christian Academy's inauguration, held at Barangay Malita, Los Baños, Laguna, Philippines. Signed, Noemi B. Nunez, Chairman, Board of Directors, Lisbeth Edguera, Principal, ILCA, and Reverend Danilo B. Bonaobra, Senior Pastor. Deacon Mo, please come over to the picture or the plaque. And to our parents, Deacon Peter Sayo. And also the plaque of appreciation to the Okso Presbyterian Church, Gyeongsangnam to South Korea, in grateful appreciation and sincere acknowledgement in Jesus Christ's name for your unselfish, untiring devotion and valuable support rendered to the Los Baños Emmanuel Southern Baptist Church, given this 50th of August in the year of our Lord 2012 on the occasion of Los Baños Emmanuel Southern Baptist Church 90th year anniversary and Emmanuel Little Christian Academy inauguration held at Barangay Malita, Los Baños, Laguna, Philippines. Signed by Reverend Danilo P. Bonaobra, Senior Pastor. And to receive the award, may I request all the members of the Oxford Church, Presbyterian Church, to please come over to receive the award. And please extend our deepest gratitude to the Oxford Presbyterian Church. And for that, please.
Gitna ka, gumit na.
may I request to please remain standing, Kuya Peter and Deacon O. Please remain standing as we are about to witness the ribbon cutting ceremony of our and cover off. Reverend Dan, please come over. While